Hello guys, Telebankoken here, back once more with another Super Online Secret Unlock video. This time it's the Penumbra Black Plague edition. So as the last time, I'll just go to the folder found in the Paradox Interactive Penumbra Black Plague Redist. As you can see here, it's the Super Online Secret.exe file. This one is also password protected. I have mine copied here. I'll put it in the description box. Press OK. Let's install this on the desktop. Install. So for those who don't know what this is, it's a file located in the Penumbra folder, which when extracted you can find some different artworks and such. So let's go into this file here. Here you can see concept art, desktop backgrounds, and desktop backgrounds widescreen. There's also a video called Behind the Scenes, which I guess it's a little video of creators. Yeah, it looks like they're just fooling around. So in the concept art you can find some little artworks here, and you can also see map designs. So go back here, you can go and see some desktop backgrounds from the game. And then this desktop backgrounds widescreen, it's the same pictures all but in widescreen. So one thing, if you haven't played the game yet, you can see here, you can see where save spot, flares, battery, painkiller. So it's a bit of a way to cheat, I guess, or just have a faster progress. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Telebankoken out. Bye.